Welcome to the PassivhausMe Hub. Now, unlike any other training building you're going to come across, we have deliberately done things wrong. Now, that goes from the window installs to the underfloor heating. So if you can see down below me, we've actually installed the underfloor heating right. And then we went, no, what happens if we get a bit lazy and we stretch that out and do bigger gaps? Well, this is what we've done. So you can see, instead of doing every one, we've done every other one. But then we're going to go one step further and go every four, so every four in. And then we'll gradually change it and get better. So we have our triple glazed window. We do have some mistakes on it already. We have how not to do it, so we can see as you come around with a compa band. We've left a gap on the corner there. We've actually fitted the other side correctly, but what I'm going to do, just to really give the students something to find, I'm going to start damaging this. I'm going to start digging holes in things and let's get some air leaks in there, right in there. Let's see what they can find on the air testing. That's it, let's get right in there. Let's see what mistakes we can do. Let's really mess this up. I'm going to go around the whole building now and unfortunately destroy a lot of what I've built. Okay, so why have I painted half of the roof black and half of the roof white? Well, come on down and let's take a look. Okay, so what we've done on the PassivhausMe Hub, we painted half of the roof black and half of the roof white. Now this is to demonstrate the different effects colours will have on the roof. So the white will reflect the heat, keeping the building cooler, and the black will absorb all that heat, taking it in, making the building hotter. So let's look what it looks like under a thermal imaging camera. Okay, so as you can see, the white side of the roof is at 17.34. If we move over to the black side, look at that, that's 45 degrees. Look at that for a big difference. 17.23, jumping over 45 degrees. Hey guys, thank you for getting to the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button and subscribe below.